Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So as the title goes, today I'm gonna try the strep sugaring wax. These are pre-made wax strips, and you can get them from the supermarket or your beauty supply shop. So basically this costs about 6 or 7 euros. And it can seem very handy, especially if you have to travel or especially if you have a short time to step out. You can get rid of your hair in about 5 minutes. So this is what we have inside. So it's got some, 4 tissues for cleaning up your skin after you were done. Now this contains argan oil, and as you know, it's a natural oil, so it's gonna help prevent bumps. Now these are the strips. Actually it is 10, but with each one, when you open it, it has 2 sides, so you end up getting 20. It's very thin and it's very light. With soft wax, you don't have to make it so thick. It has to be on the thinner side. I'm just gonna try it on my hands. Now I'm gonna put talcum powder on my hands, okay? Then I'm just gonna open it up. As you can see, I have 2 of them now. So I'm just gonna place it on my, my arm, and I'm gonna push it down. I'm gonna, make sure I get rid of any air bubble inside. This is gonna help, stick to the skin more and stick to the hair very well. Now afterwards, I'm just gonna, strip it off. I'm gonna do this in the opposite direction of the hair growth. And ow, that did hurt, okay? As you can see, it did take out the hair. If you can see the hair, you can see it better on a white background. You can see all the hair pieces in it. It's taking out all the hair, and it was so quick and easy. And as you can see, there is no hair on my arm anymore. It did a very good job, and it's taking out all the hair. It is so smooth now. So I'm just gonna come in with the oil tissue, and I'll just clean the area. And I must tell you guys, it smells so good, and it feels so good. So this is really a good deal. As you can see, it did the job very well, got rid of the hair, and my arm is so smooth, as you can see. So this is definitely a good buy, and it's really gonna come in handy when you have to travel, or when you don't have so much time, or when you have to step out with friends and you've got just about 10 minutes to get ready. You can use this on your legs and on your arms. I mean, it's for your body, but not for your intimate zones. So this is a really cool deal, and I am definitely gonna get it again. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.